Hi.
What are you about to do?
Do Easter eggs.
We're gonna dye some Easter eggs. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Camden Boy, Kyra Boo, toy review. Okay, what do we have to dye our Easter eggs?
What egg?
We have a half a dozen eggs. How many is in a half a dozen? Count the eggs.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
You have 6 eggs.
I have 6 eggs.
Good job. All right, we have some cool. We have a mixer. We got some mixing sticks. We have a pan, gloves, food coloring, some napkins if we need some.
I get started.
Okay. First, we have to put whipped cream in there, in the pan.
A pan?
Yeah.
Okay.
You have to point this down and push it. You said it smells really good?
Mm-hmm.
What does it smell like?
Ice cream. Ah! In my
You
nose.
got some on your nose. Now you have to smooth it out.
Okay.
All right, can I help you?
No. Oh!
Want to eat some?
No! No!
Okay, mommy will taste it. Yummy. All right.
Hey, baby, coming.
It's time for the food coloring. Let's do pink and purple.
Okay.
Pink. Pink. Over here. Right now. Oh, over here. Okay. Okay. Now we're gonna do what's supposed to get.
Blue and green. Let's go. Blue. Let's go blue.
I don't get a drink. On this side. Yeah, you did.
It's purple.
Okay. Here, hold it. There you go. Okay, now I'm gonna get the other stick and we're gonna do the other side, okay?
Okay.
All right. Now we gotta put our eggs in, but we need gloves for that. We need gloves.
Okay.
Okay, grab one egg. And you have to dip it in and roll it around. Oh, no, we're not cracking them. We're not eating these right now. All right, Kyra, one more egg. Mm-hmm.
Don't break crack.
No, don't crack them. Remember, put it in the food color. Roll it around, roll it all around. Make sure it's all the way covered.
It's purple.
That's gonna be a all color egg. We'll see what that one ends up looking like.
It's breaded.
You spread it all around.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right, y'all done?
Mm-hmm.
So now we have to let our eggs sit and dry for 20 minutes.
Okay.
All right, say we'll be right back.
We'll be right back.
Twenty minutes later.
Put your got back on.
Okay. So grab one egg and put it in water. You don't drop it, okay?
It coming up.
Yes. We gotta dry it off. So don't drop the eggs, okay?
Okay. Oh, drop the green.
No. Touch it with your glove. Wait a minute. Wait. Can I help you?
No.
Okay. Grab the egg. Last one. Got it? Rinse it off. Okay. Now put it on the paper towel. Okay, now we gotta dry them all. So Kyra, what do you think about your eggs? You like the way they look?
Mm-hmm.
You think they're pretty?
Mm-hmm. I go cracker.
No, don't crack the eggs. Not yet.
Not yet?
Not yet. We gotta do an Easter egg hunt with them.
Oh.
I have to hide them.
We have to hide them?
Yeah, if you crack them all, then I won't be able to hide them. You cracked all out of the eggs.
And put in water?
They're pretty. You did a pretty good job.
Yeah.
So next time, well, the recipe says you can either use whipped cream or shaving cream. We use whipped cream. But Kyra likes the way the eggs look, right?
Yay!
Yay!
Happy Easter, everybody.
All right, say like our video.
Like video.
Say give it a big thumbs up.
Big thumbs up.
Okay.
I'll go hide them.
Okay, we're gonna go hide them now. Say don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget them to subscribe.
Say bye.
Bye. Have to hide them. Let's go hide them. No, you don't. But to hide them.
You gotta hide them? What else do you want to do with the eggs?
Crack them.
No, don't crack the eggs, Kyra.
Okay.
All right.
We have to hide them.
Yes, we have to hide them, okay?
I'll go hide them.
You're gonna go hide them? But then who's gonna find them?
Me.
Okay, you're gonna hide them and find them?
Mm-hmm.
Don't drop them. Put them back. I'll hide them for you, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
And boy, give a boo. Play with you.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe.